Male arousal begins in the brain with emotional and sensory signals. The brain activates pathways linked to desire and stimulation. The hypothalamus triggers hormonal responses throughout the body.
Testosterone plays a major role in regulating male libido. Arousal signals travel from the brain to the pelvic nerves.
Blood flow begins to increase toward the reproductive organs.
These vascular changes prepare the body for physical response.
The parasympathetic system supports relaxation and physical readiness. Hormones and signals work together to maintain arousal. Breathing deepens and heart rate rises naturally.
The body becomes more sensitive to touch and stimulation.
Male arousal is a coordinated process involving the whole body. This biological system works together to create natural male desire.